Indigo is in a crisis, and so are the passengers. There is a huge chaos at airports across the country with over 550 flights grounded and passengers stuck. Some claims delayed refunds, while some alleges no refund at all. People have been tagging the DGCA and the Civil Aviation Ministry on social media. This marks the highest number of cancellations in Indigo's 20-year history. Over 450 flights have been grounded or cancelled, with the domino effect spreading across the country. The biggest hits Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru, each recording over 100 cancellations. Crowds are swelling at check in counters, tempers are flaring, and the once punctual airline is now struggling just to get off the ground. The unprecedented chaos gripping at the Indian skies intensified today as in Indigo, the nation's largest carrier, continues to face a massive operational meltdown for the fourth consecutive day. Flight schedules have been thrown into disarray, leaving thousands of passengers stranded and major airports in a state of crisis. The core issue is a perfect storm of operational failures, while the airline, cities, technical glitches, and schedule changes. The primary culprit is an acute pilot shortage, directly linked to new stricter flight duty time limitation or FDTL norms enforced by the DGCA. Owing to the crisis, the DGCA has partially revoked new rules related to weekly offs, and thus one can hope that Indigo acts fast to restore normal operations. The new safety rules, designed to reduce pilot fatigue, require longer rest periods and restrict nighttime flying. Indigo, known for its high frequency lean staffing model, simply did not have enough buffer crew to adapt. The DGCA has now asked the airline for a complete stabilization plan, which Indigo says won't be fully released until February 2026. In a shocking example of the human cost, a newly couple stranded by cancellation was forced to attend their own wedding reception in Hubali, virtually beaming in via video conference while their parents perform the rituals. The airline has warned that more cancellations are expected in coming days as they revoke their schedule to restore stability. Passengers are advised to check the flight status before leaving for airport. We will continue to bring latest updates for you. This side Preet Singh from Z News English.